In front of me is Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 7 and today I would like to show you how you can change display refresh rate. Start by opening settings and scrolling down a tiny bit to click on display. Over here. Now scroll down to click on motion smoothness. Finally, click on one of those options to apply the best one for you, adaptive or standard. I always go for adaptive because my device feels better while I'm using it and testing it. Whatever you decided though, to save your changes, hit apply. As you can see, after that, screen refresh rate of my Samsung has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!